Once upon a time, there was a lawyer named Ju Hyung. He had been a lawyer for 8 years. But even after all those years, he still didn't fully understand everything about his job. In his 9th year, he finally realized something important. In court, I must defend my client, but that doesn't mean I have to be their friend. One day, Ju Hyung went to the courthouse. He saw a young lawyer, probably in his 1st year, standing confidently and talking like a lawyer from TV. To Ju Hyung's surprise, they entered the same courtroom. Soon, it was time for their case. It was a civil case. Ju Hyung represented the plaintiff. The new lawyer represented the defendant. In court, Ju Hyung stayed calm and quiet, but the young lawyer used loud voice and dramatic gestures, just like on TV. When he walked proudly to speak, the judge told him to sit down and just use the microphone. Then, the young lawyer tried to call a witness, but Ju Hyung gave him a small look. "Don't do it." The judge asked, "Do you have the written request to bring this witness?" The new lawyer didn't have it. He tried to explain, "Your Honor, can't I just tell you why I brought the witness?" But the judge said, "I have many cases today. Please submit it in writing." So, the hearing was delayed until January 14th. Ju Hyung calmly agreed. The young lawyer, now a little nervous, whispered, "What date was that again?" "January 14th, Ju Hyung replied. After court, the young lawyer sat down outside, looking tired. He apologized as Ju Hyung walked past. Ju Hyung smiled and gave him some advice. "Don't learn how to be a lawyer from TV dramas. Come early and watch the trials before yours." "Thank you," said the new lawyer. "No one taught me that before." Ju Hyung added, "Also, that show you watched was about criminal cases. This was a civil case. You need to match the right style." The young lawyer froze. Wait, how did he know what I watched? Later at the office, Ju Hyung quietly entered his room. A coworker gave him a report. He had won 2 cases. She clapped, but he simply said, "Thanks." Even when he lost a case, Ju Hyung didn't show much emotion. The woman walked out, confused. Another senior lawyer saw her face and said, "Don't worry. Ju Hyung was like that with me too when I was new." She then asked, "Do lawyers not care if they win or lose?"